Hello, in this video I will show you how to use this AC current sensor to measure AC current in your home. You can use this sensor to monitor home appliances like cooking, laundry, light, and cool. And we will need this IOT PCB to push data into the internet. The sensor with IOT PCB will be installed at the main circuit breaker to monitor the current. Then we will see the result on the Google spreadsheet. The data of every day will be arranged in every sheet to prevent data loss and for easy view. From here, we can easily draw a chart for AC current consumption of your home. Let's start how to make it. Step 1. Circuit. We will make the circuit like this with some resistor and the capacitor. Remember, some sensor has a burden resistor inside and some not. In case no burden resistor, we have to install it. Then the ESP will connect with internet by your Wi-Fi router to put data into Google spreadsheet. For example, this kind of sensor specification 20 amps per 1 volt will have burden resistor inside. Meanwhile, the sensor specification 100 amps per 50 milliamps will have no burden resistor inside, so we have to install a burden resistor for it. Step 2. Code works. Here is Arduino code for the ESP. Focus on this section. This is declaration for the sensor type. In my case, I will declare 20 for my sensor because the sensor has specification 20 amps per 1 volt. The ESP will measure AC current and then push the data into the Google spreadsheet. For the code, you can download it at the video description. Here is the data from Google spreadsheet. We will use the app script to get data from the ESP. Once again, this kind of code can be downloaded at links of video description. You can see my previous video to know how to use it. There is one example to use ESP with Google spreadsheet. Step 3. Calibration. It's possible not take this step. However, I still show you how to do it. We will find a big power consumptions up to 20 amps, then install the sensor to it. We will need a standard device to measure the current, a clamp meter. In this case, I use the Fluke one. This is well-known brand, so I will believe it. We will measure as many ranges as possible. 0, 1.9, 15.8. Then we will type the result of our sensor and clamp meter into the Excel file. Draw a graph for it and make sure the X value is from our sensor and the Y value is from the clamp meter. Then we will show the equation between X and Y. We will take this factor for calibration in Arduino code. Step 4. Test run. After we finish the circuit and the code, we will install the sensor at our main circuit breaker of our home. Power on the ESP. At the first time, the ESP will connect with our Wi-Fi router by blinking LED indication. If connection successful, the LED will off. From now on, we will open the Google spreadsheet on internet to see the data updating. Finally, I finished the instruction how to measure AC current and upload data into the internet. I hope you like this project. If you have any issue, please leave a comment. I will try to reply you. Thank you.